Yeah, this is part 2. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I have just created something wonderful, at least in my opinion. And I don't know where I'm going to go with it or what I'm going to do with it yet. I've got a lot of great textures and a lot of great layers. And I don't think I'm done. I'm going to give myself a chance to look at it a little bit more and hope for the best. And maybe add whatever I consider to be finishing touches, so you guys can see them. And lots of times I don't get to do this with you here. That big green area is kind of confusing me a little bit. I've got a lot of paint on here. I do use GAC 800 by Golden to prevent cracking because my paint is often very thick. I want some more black up there. And I may want some more gold. I have gold on this side, and I may want some more black on this side as well. I just sort of follow my instincts. And I know that the basting brush, the Walmart basting brush, will often help sell the paint because it's being agitated and mixing. I'm very tempted to just run the basting brush through the stripes and then touch the edge of the canvas so that I have something that is a good fake, since it's a stripe running the opposite, or at least not in a conducive direction, so that I can have paint run over. It's running in a vertical, it's running in a horizontal, and I'm trying to cover a vertical. So hopefully this will be fine. And I either want black or I want gold right there. And then I'm gonna, oops, there goes a cap. I'm going to wipe off my basting brush. I think I'd like to do this again and put chain in it and see what happens. That's really taunting me. I haven't done with the gold yet. And I have other paint on my little Princeton Art Tools Catalyst spatula. I'd like that gold to stay on the surface. I might want a whole lot more gold than I just put there. Yeah, that doesn't bother me. As a matter of fact, that's exactly what I want. So, back to the torching to release the bubbles and to warm the paint and maybe make patterns, which there's no guarantee of at this point. I'm going to want to pull this around to the other side to see what I've got to deal with as far as covering that other side goes. So I'm all about the stripes sometimes, and this has got great layers. I'm pretty happy with all those layers. Oop, I got something in my paint. Maybe it's a bug, maybe it's not. Go away. Off my skewer, you. That was not cool. I left a mark. Must be time to put some more gold in there. Maybe even some gold hearts, who knows. Little texture never hurt anybody. I kind of like that, actually. I'm wondering what else I want to do. And I like that red up there. I like this pink down here, but I like the purple that went through it. Not so much that thing hanging out the end, but I like what happened with the gold, so I'm going to go ahead and give myself permission to do it again right here. Great colors. Well, I got something of the effect that I wanted to. I made my dish, which is, by the way, here if you're just tuning in, what's left of it. Lovely colors along the edge. I wish I could save them, to tell you the truth. But I made the dish work out into something that I like. Not so sure I expected to have a big round thing right in the center. It kind of makes me want to put some spirals in here, for sure. which is something I'm inclined to do. Come on out. There we go. This could be planet surface. This could be all kinds of stuff. I think if I use my medical tubing, I may see some more things. Colors, not things, colors. And I have wonderful things. There is no doubt. But because of that dot there, oh, I really didn't want to get rid of those tiger stripes. Leopard print, whatever. In any case, my gold is kind of disappearing. I suppose there's always tomorrow. It's nice to figure out what I can do for texture. I think I could just grab my fork. Yeah. Let's see. Do we want to even take a chance on that? Maybe we don't. Let's just do it anyway. Now I could go down. I'm not sure how long that would last, but I kind of like the added texture. Just using the edge of the fork now, as opposed to the tines in any particular. Yeah, I'm going to do that because I can. Which is, by the way, I'll repeat, the name of my book. On the Amazon link, directly under Show More. When you click Show More, you'll find the Amazon link. You'll find my gold mica powder, which I make my gold, not paint, it's not paint. It's mixed with decor pouring medium. But you'll find those things, like the OXO omelet turning spatulas. And if you ever can't find something, just ask me for the link. I will be happy to share with you. I'm liking this enough to not want to mess with it anymore. And I've talked myself into that state of things, state of being. Yeah, have I? You just can't trust me to be done when I say I'm done, ever. I kind of want to just put some white in, you know? But I don't know where I really want to put it, because everything is somewhat copacetic already. So maybe just do another painting and not worry about this one. This one is the way it is, except for that spot right there, which looks more like canvas than anything. And how do I feel about that red spot? I just drag it along so it mixes with everything else. I like a lot of things, and then I change my mind. And I have that green. That I need to use up in the small bottle, and it's all Floetrol. Really? Super. Okay, I have the other green. The one I know I shook. I'm just going to run my skewer. I'm not pushing, or I'm just dragging, gently dragging. And I love making those patterns. Waggle. Just a little waggle here and there. Alright, we'll see how we like this tomorrow. One more torch. I just keep seeing this big pink mass in there. But it might be the only rest area I get. And I keep thinking I want to put spirals in there, and then remembering that I can do this again with the leftover paint I've got. And then I just keep seeing stuff that I keep thinking needs to be changed. Like that, which is not bothering me now. It does want to make me put some more white in there. but where to put it. Let's just put some in and see what happens, shall we? I don't think you had a choice. All right, so yes, I do like that. Resistance is useless. Yes, I'm a Doctor Who fan. I don't think, wow, you know what? I'm very happy I did that. And I'm going to call that good. Except for that spot I want to put some black in. I just can't stop. Alright, so I'm going to wipe off my skewer. Little bit of a waggle. Yep, we got great layers. If they dry nicely, I'll be styling. If I can leave it alone, I'll be styling. I'm going to have to fix that edge, but I got plenty of paint over to the side, so I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so I will tell you very quickly that at the last 20 seconds of this video, you can find 4 end screens. One is for subscribe, one is my website, which has an Instagram link on it, which is current. One has 18 by 24-inch canvases, which include the prizes shown for February 28th drawing. If you contribute through PayPal or Patreon, the links are in the description under the video and on my YouTube header, and I appreciate all of the contributions I've had in the past to keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. It helps my placement of my video on YouTube. I have Facebook volumes 1, 2, and 3 of wet and dry YouTube artworks at the bottom of the description. You have to click show more. You have to click the down arrow, and you'll find Pinterest and Instagram links there also. I sell my artwork, so if you would like very much to own something of mine, all you must do is communicate with me through YouTube, and I will give you an email and we'll have a chat. My book is called Because I Can. It's on the Amazon link, and the Teespring clothing at the top below the video is got my studio slogans and some really cool leggings and a lot of other things. If you click on any one of those links, you will be able to go to my Teespring store. If you visit my Facebook pages, you will find there's an Expressionist Art Studio Gallery appreciation group. There are Pixels.com and Fine Art America merchandise links, and I've got thousands of artworks. If you ever want to help support the studio, you definitely can do that. So my timer's leaving me with another... I got plenty of time left, and I'm standing up here looking at this, making sure that there's nothing that I am so compelled to have to do that I can't control myself. I think I'm good. I hope so anyway. Like I said, last 20 seconds. See, couldn't control myself. Gotta do what you gotta do. A few of those never hurt anything. That's my theory, and I'm sticking to it. I love spirals. I love you guys too. Thanks for all the great comments, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, getting warm. I'm glad I did this today before it got hot tomorrow. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.